Hi, my name is Mike, and this is my second visit to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My first visit was in 2017. I'm going to tour the city and check it out. What is up, everyone? And today I am in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I flew in from Jakarta yesterday. I've been walking around, checking out the city a little bit. I'm going to tour around for the next couple of days, take a look at the Batu Caves and some of the street markets, some food, and behind me are the Petronas Towers. So come along, check it out, and let's take a look at Kuala Lumpur. The Batu Caves in Kuala Lumpur, I ended up taking a grab car. It cost me $4 to get here from the center of the city. There are ways to get here by train, but the car was so cheap I just did that instead. It's starting to rain, but I'm here and I'm gonna go up the stairs and check it out. Let's go see. A lot of birds. Statue's huge. I was here once about 6 or 7 years ago. I forgot how many stairs it was and how big the statue was though. Alright, I'm right at the entrance. I don't know if there's a fee or anything to get in. I'm gonna let's find out in a second. I don't see anybody taking money. It looks like they're just making sure that the women are dressed properly. I think the knees and shoulders have to be covered. Alright, there is no entrance fee, and it's a whole lot of stairs, so let's get climbing. It's a big opening to a cave, and it's really quite interesting. It's impressive. The rock formation, very interesting. It feels more like a tourist attraction than it does like a religious location. There's some more stairs. I don't remember where that goes. It's got a nice opening to the sky. This is up the second set of stairs. It's a really cool opening. Very interesting. Some cool rocks hanging down over here. Some sort of temple or shrine over here. All right, now the trip down the stairs. It's very steep, looking at it from up here. I'm down at the bottom again. It's crowded down here. There's a lot of pigeons. Someone's selling food for them, so that kind of attracts them. Interesting temple or shrine here on the left of the stairs. And I'm going to head out. I don't know if I'm gonna get a train or a car. If there's a train nearby, maybe I'll grab that. But definitely check it out if you're in Kuala Lumpur. There's a nice little garden here. There's a little entrance fee though. I think it's like $1 or $2. A lot of fish in the water and a lot of birds in the trees. Oh, there's all these little restaurants with all kinds of tables. Just heard some thunder. It looks like it's about to rain. Looks like they're preparing for the rain. So I might get a table undercover and get some food. All right, so I stopped and got some fish. It's about 8:30 now, and the road's getting a little busier. It didn't end up raining, but I feel a drop on me now. So maybe it's gonna start now, of course, now that I'm done eating. The Petronas Towers are massive. There is a fountain show they run every night here. Maybe I'll come back later tonight and check it out. And then there's this park right next to it, and it's all in front of the towers. And I think this is a mall. KLCC. I'm not sure what that stands for. Maybe Kuala Lumpur City Center. This is the Pavilion Mall. A lot of high-end stores here. And right down the road is Times Square. This is the busiest area of the city, and it's also the most congested with traffic. There's a few malls, there's a lot of shops, restaurants, hotels. If you're in Kuala Lumpur, you're definitely going to pass through this area a few times while you're staying here. And if you're looking for an area to stay in, this area would probably be the best spot to stay. The first time I stayed in Kuala Lumpur, I stayed in this area. This time I stayed about one train stop away, and I wish I stayed closer. This is my Airbnb in Kuala Lumpur. I'm actually leaving. I headed to the airport now. It has a balcony, but the door didn't open at all. The Wi-Fi did not work well at all. It has a fridge. The wash machine was nice. I was able to wash all my clothes. Bed. It's got a nice pool on the roof and bathroom. It cost me $31 a night. So when you're in Kuala Lumpur, think about Airbnbs. You get some good deals. Trains are clean. Good air conditioning.
Stand clear. Doors closing.
Not a bad way to get around the city. It's my last night in Kuala Lumpur, and I decided to come down to the fountain show and check it out. It should start in about 10 minutes, so let's see if it's any good. This fountain show is not as good as the one in Singapore, but it's still worth checking out if you're in the area and you have some extra time. It's a lot more busy at night than it was during the day. Some people sitting in beanbag chairs. I don't know, is this like a movie? Yeah, it's some kind of screen. Maybe they watch movies here at night. Yeah, movie screenings tonight in about 15 minutes. The Journey. After the fountain show, I walked around the park a little bit. It's all lit up, as you can see in the video. But that's it for my time in Kuala Lumpur. It's a good city, definitely worth checking out if you have time. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video coming from Thailand.